While they may be one of the smallest components in a tire and wheel assembly, valve stems play a big role in vehicle safety. Sure, valve stems may lack size, but they are very important tire components that, if left unchecked, can bring up safety concerns for your customers. Let's talk about why properly servicing valve stems will help keep your customers safe and your shop profitable. Valve stems have been performing the same function since 1898, and to this day, it's not that complicated to understand a standard tire valve. However, mistakes during mounting or demounting or overlooking damage could have serious consequences for both your customers and your business. First things first, make inspection a priority. Every time a customer's vehicle comes in, give the valve stems a good look. Check that the core is free of dirt and debris that could interfere with proper function. While examining the valve stem, flex it in a circular motion with your finger. If you see any visible cracks or hear air hissing from the base, it's defective and should be replaced. If your customers are hesitant to replace them, tell them the safety risks of a sudden loss of air pressure at highway speeds. Once you confirm the core is clear, be careful with installation. When reinstalling a valve core, avoid over-tightening. This is particularly important with metal valve stems. Make sure the gasket seal is tight, but not so tight that it ruins the seal. Also, always use the shortest valve stem possible. Longer stems are more easily damaged and easier to get knocked off. Don't forget to check for TPMS sensors before attempting to remove a valve stem. Pulling out a stem with an attached TPMS sensor will destroy the sensor, resulting in an expensive replacement that your shop would have to cover. As a general rule of thumb, your technicians should always replace valve stems with every new tire installation. Some shops may even include them at no extra charge. With name brand valve stems costing under $50 in bulk quantity, including them in tire installation is both a safety measure and a smart business decision. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.